Okay, let's break bread, as they say. Look at that, beautiful, stringy, beautiful, lovely garlic bread. Delicious. This is going to take no time at all, and it's absolutely wonderful. Nice kind of quick fix, really. We're going to make some garlic bread today with cheese. Got a loaf of bread. We're going to butter it up with garlic, bit of cheese and bit of seasoning. Job done. Bang it in the oven. Delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so before I start talking about our bread, get your oven on maximum heat. Get it nice and hot before we throw this in. Really simple. So I've got a nice loaf here. You can use any type of bread you want, to be honest. I've got a white loaf here with sesame seeds on. Up to you. Now what I've done is I've cut it, but not all the way down. Do you know what I mean? I've just opened it out like that. Concertina style. Get that ready. Now we're simply going to make a really easy garlic butter. So I've got some melted butter here, salted or unsalted, that's up to you. I've got about 4 tablespoons of butter that I've melted, depending obviously on the size of the bread you're using. Right, I've got a tablespoon and a half of chopped garlic, roughly chopped, cut it smaller if you want. A couple of teaspoons of oregano. I'm not adding salt to this, but I am going to add some pepper. Now if you want, you could get some chopped onion in there, chopped tomato in there, chopped fresh parsley, something like that. I'm going to keep it nice and easy today. All we're going to do is give that a mix, and we're done. The only other thing you're going to need, if you want, some grated cheese. I've got some cheddar there. So you've now got a hot oven, I hope, or it's definitely on its way. Let's get on with this bad boy. So I've got my bread there that we've cut. I've now got it into a tray that can go into the oven. Now I'm using this grill there, so it's just slightly off the bottom. It won't really matter if it's touching the bottom if you don't have one of these, but I'm going to be using that. Very simply, what we're going to do is we're going to sort of open this out, okay, and then get in there. Start buttering away with this lovely garlic butter. Don't be shy at all. Get loads and loads in there. So I've done it, you see, just like that. So I'm going to repeat that. Then I'll be back. Just takes a few minutes. So we've now got garlic butter all the way through there. Now we're going to get some cheese, and we're going to repeat that process. Get some cheese in there, in each of the slices. Again, be as generous as you like. Back in a moment. So I've got cheese again in there. So I've got all the garlic butter in there. Cheese is in. Now the rest of the butter, garlic butter, we're going to put over the top. We're going to get a bit more cheese on the top there. Just chuck that on there. So easy this. Right, so your hot oven's ready. What we're going to do is we're going to chuck this in, maximum heat, middle shelf, and we're going to go, depends on the bread you've used, 8 to 10 minutes. A little bit of oregano, or oregano as some of my friends call it, on top. 8 to 10 minutes. You kind of know what we're looking for. Melted cheese and loveliness. See you then. That was about 8 or 9 minutes in my oven. You can see it's lovely. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And there you go. So just easy and delicious. I love to do this. And like I say, play around with it. Try different cheese. Get some tomatoes in there, onions, whatever you want. Bit of parmesan or something. Chopped black olives. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you very, very soon, I hope. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.